Hi guys, welcome to a update video again. I haven't uploaded for a long time, so I thought I'd do something interesting. I'm gonna start doing some more interesting stuff. So I'm thinking of doing the Death Cup soon and the Ice Bucket Challenge. So yeah, that's pretty much all. Wait, no. Yeah, Death Cup, I'm just going to find out a ton of random ingredients. You know what it is. If you don't, it's you put a ton of random ingredients in a cup, then you pretty much mix it up and drink it. I'm going to try to drink the whole thing, guys. And Ice Bucket Challenge, you get a really cold water, fill it up with ice, and it's in a big bucket, and then you just like pour it all over yourself. Yeah, guys, this is going to be so freaking awesome for you guys, hopefully. I hope you guys will enjoy the Death Cup and all that. And I might even do more Death Cups where you guys get to say more ingredients that you want me to do. Like a Death Cup series. So, yeah, I'm going to start doing more interesting stuff for you guys. And you guys can comment down below what you guys want to see me do, too. That's interesting. So, yeah, guys, leave a thumbs up and peace out. Peace out, guys. Peace out.